Hi, I'm Cohen from Blass Law, and I want to talk about who can't possess a firearm according to federal law. 18 U.S.C. 922G gives us a list of people who are not permitted to possess a firearm. A felon or anyone under indictment for a felony, an unlawful user or anyone addicted to a controlled substance as defined by the Federal Controlled Substances Act, anyone adjudicated mentally defective or put in a mental institution, an illegal alien, anyone dishonorably discharged from the armed forces, someone who's renounced their United States citizenship, anyone convicted of an assault family member case. This is misdemeanor or felony. Anyone subject to a restraining order in an assault family member case, or someone who's a fugitive from justice. Now, for these to apply, the gun has to have crossed state lines at any point. Chances are, unless it was made right in front of you, it's crossed state lines. This is serious stuff. You can face up to 10 years in federal prison. There's some state laws that may be more lenient and conflict with these, but the feds can still prosecute you. Don't mess around with this stuff. At Blass Law, if you're charged with a gun crime or any other crime, we can help.